Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you on how to simply protect your WhatsApp account from hacker with this simple settings. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following into this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is open up your WhatsApp. So I'm going to click on here, open up my WhatsApp. Next thing you need to do is to click on this three dots from the top. Then click on settings. Then go to account. Then go to security notifications. And come down below right here. Make sure you turn on this. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.